and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to transfer eSIM to a new iPhone in iPhone 17 or iPhone other series. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to simply prepare both iPhones, like make sure that iPhones are running the latest iOS connected to the same Wi-Fi and have Bluetooth enabled. Once it is done, you need to set the new iPhone near the old one. Now start on the new iPhone, like go to settings, tap on cellular and go to set up cellular or add a eSIM, then choose to transfer. Simply tap on the transfer from nearby phone, and you can also simply confirm that a transfer phone number will pop up on your old iPhone. Simply tap on continue and follow the on-screen prompts like typing in the code and stuff. So once you confirm the transfer on your old phone, the eSIM will be activated on your new iPhone. Now the eSIM is now active and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.